Tonight, you are not simply falling asleep, you are stepping into a sacred chamber where your mind will be shaped, your beliefs will be rewritten, and your future will begin its silent construction. What you allow into your mind before slumber determines what awakens in your life. This speech is not casual noise. It is a builder of destinies. Do not take this moment lightly. As you close your eyes, I will speak directly to the hidden architect within you, your subconscious mind. And what I speak, if you permit it, will take root. As you sleep, this speech will go to work. It will plant wealth. It will plant belief. It will plant definiteness of purpose and the bold courage to act. What do you desire? A house free from debt, a fortune that multiplies in silence, the freedom to awaken when you choose, not when an alarm demands? Do you dream of owning your own enterprise, commanding your own time, and being the source of security for those you love? Then listen, not as one who wishes, but as one who decides. This very night your mind shall be fed riches. You may not see it yet, but if you persist in hearing this message, if you give yourself wholly to its repetition, your beliefs will shift. And when your beliefs shift, so does your identity. And when your identity changes, the world bows to you as a master, not a beggar. The law is simple. What you think of most with faith becomes your reality. What you hear most with emotion becomes your nature. Tonight I offer you not mere advice, but a system of reconditioning. Repetition is the tool. Faith is the fire. And the subconscious mind is the field where your fortune is sown. This is not entertainment. This is education for your deeper self. The words I speak tonight are seeds. They may feel invisible, but let a week pass, a month pass, and you will awaken to a new thought, a new strength, a new opportunity. You will not know where it came from, but I will tell you, it was planted tonight. You must listen regularly. This message is to be repeated night after night until you no longer recognize the old version of yourself. Do not question the soil. Do not pluck the seed to see if it grows. Let it work. Trust the law. Speak the affirmations with feeling. And above all, believe that you are worthy of the wealth you seek. This is your sacred hour. Speak nothing negative before you sleep. Hear nothing vague. Do not entertain fear, criticism, or complaint. Only truth shall enter your mind now. Only purpose, only power, only wealth. You are not falling asleep. You are installing a new self, and that self shall rise wealthy. What the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve, and what it repeats, it installs. This is not poetry, it is law. The same way a farmer repeats the tilling of soil before the crop appears, you must till the fields of your mind with repetition, with belief, and with purpose, especially as you sleep. The subconscious mind never closes its doors. While your eyes shut and your body rests, your deeper self remains alert, obedient, absorbing. It is listening to the last thoughts you feed it. It is shaping them, multiplying them, giving them direction, and it does not discriminate. It will act on whatever is planted, truth or lie, riches or ruin. So I warn you, as your guide, if you retire each night in worry, fear, confusion, or complaint, you are feeding poison into the workshop of your destiny. You are commanding the very force that builds your future to construct failure. And it will obey, without judgment, without question. It will serve the master you choose to be. But if instead you begin tonight to fall asleep with courage in your chest, faith in your belly, and purpose in your voice, you will command the subconscious to build in your favor. For it is not fate that determines your wealth. It is your repeated thought, charged with belief, handed to your deeper mind with feeling. This is the sacred science of auto-suggestion. You suggest what to think. You suggest what to feel. And the